Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm with you with the most common problem, that is why can't you speak? Speaking difficulties and solutions. The ability to speak seems to be master in any language, but the main problem we face while learning a second language is that we can't speak it, though we are fully able to read and write that language. Most people want to learn English, the language that connects people from different culture, religion and nations. But it has been observed that students from different levels and different cultures all around the world encounter various difficulties in English speaking. The main problem faced by the student was the lack of vocabulary and being afraid of making mistakes that hindered him to speak. My dear, it has been researched that 95% the students said they had difficulty in speaking because they were afraid of making mistakes. They were afraid of making error in class. They had no idea what to say. They were not confident and comfortable if they made mistakes, and they were not interested with the topic that are given by the lecturers, or they did not know much about the topic. Definitely, we can't speak in our mother tongue if we don't know much about the chosen topic. My dear, do you know what are the causes of different problems? That if we are nervous to speak and if we are not being brave to speak, so what's the reason behind this? That there's a simple reason. It can be that we are not confident to speak. But if we are afraid of making mistakes, we are not being confident to speak. So what is the reason behind this? That might be the lack of grammatical knowledge. Yes, if we have grammatical knowledge, so we would be afraid of making mistake. Do you know, if we are facing difficulty expressing word sentences and we are not confident to speak, so what's the reason behind this? The reason behind this is the lack of vocabulary, that we have don't enough vocabulary to speak. It's not only our problems. Check guys, it is worldwide problem. A Chinese girl also shared her story with BBC that she had no problem in reading and writing, but she was not good in speaking because the teacher in her school always focused on grammar, vocabulary and exam. Another boy revealed that he was useless. He had useless vocabulary and he often didn't find appropriate word to speak. 80% of the Leicester University students have difficulties in grammatical aspects. It is also observed that the people could not pick up fluency if they had started learning English at older age. Besides these linguistic and non-linguistic problems, the teaching strategies, the curriculum and environment are also a factor that create difficulties in speaking English confidently. So guys, what do you think? What should be the solution? I think it might be a good solution. That is speak English or I will call the cops. Okay, so what can we do? How can we overcome these difficulties or problem? My dear, if anyone want to speak a particular language fluently, they should start learning at early stage. Do remember, the best age of learning a new language is 7 years to 16 years. So if you are from 7 to 16 years, so you can learn faster or your parent can take necessary step right now. So what's the first step? Read, read and read. Reading aloud for 15 to 30 minutes daily will be helpful to overcome the problem of choosing the right word or grammatical structure. Listening and reading is the most important part in speaking. Try to read the novels originally written by the English writers and try to listen the actual English speaker. For this, you can watch an English movie, a political debate, sports, whatever you are interested in. Always engage yourself in that particular activity you are interested. Because a boring movie or literature for you, yes, definitely it is. That is not the thing that is not interesting for you doesn't mean others don't like that too. So what I was saying that a boring movie or literature won't help you to learn English but keep you away from the track. The second, the most important thing is speak, speak, and speak. Yes, my dear, you are not able to speak without speaking. Speak whether right or wrong, because only speaking is the thing that can make speaking better. You will not have enough vocabulary. You might make errors, but forget it. Forget that someone will not understand you or laugh at you. A baby falls off many times. When he starts walking, how can he learn to walk if he is afraid of fall? Be confident. Don't try to be accurate. Try to be fluent. Sometimes the student should care about accuracy, but sometimes let it go out. Just relax and enjoy communication. What's wrong? Don't spend long for the perfect word. Use a simpler word or sentence that save the time. The simpler word that have the same meaning. The other will get you what you are trying to say. Having big pause in communication is horrible. Must fill it with the fillers. Enjoy speaking. Don't be afraid. Face everything and rise. Enjoy speaking with your friends. It's not your exam. Got it? Hope you found it useful. Let's grow, shine together. Stay connected. See you soon. Allah Hafiz. Like, subscribe, and share.